Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I want to show you how to make money on ClickBank as a complete beginner and how to do it absolutely free. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic to your ClickBank offers and you can start making high ticket commissions. Now, guys, make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make money on ClickBank in 2021. Now, guys, check out these results right here. These are the results I've gotten in the past month with my ClickBank account. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replicate those results inside of this video. Now, guys, if you don't have a ClickBank account, make sure you go to clickbank.com and register for a free account. Now, all you got to do is go to ClickBank and hit sign up here, and then you can sign up for a free account. You tell them where you want them to send the money, either your bank account or a check, and you can start making money this way. Now, if you can't use ClickBank, I get this question all the time where you can't use ClickBank because of your country. You can also go to digistore24.com. This is going to be similar to ClickBank, and you can use this exact same strategy that I'm about to show you today to basically start making commissions with either ClickBank or Digistore24. Now, I'm going to go back to ClickBank, guys. Once you're registered for an account, all you got to do is go to the marketplace here, and we're going to find a product. Now, I'm going to show you some products that I like to promote, especially with this method. I'm going to go to the marketplace. I'm going to scroll down here and click on e-business and e-marketing. Now, this is because this is my niche. I like to promote products that are in the make money online niche, the business niche, but of course there's a ton of different products in here: arts and entertainment, cooking, food and wine, computers and internet, all kinds of stuff that you guys can promote with this method that I'm about to show you. You guys are going to be really like this method. Okay, so I'm going to go to e-business and e-marketing. Let me sign in again. And then we're going to go to, we're going to find a product here. Now, basically what I like to do is sort by gravity and find the best products. If you guys don't know what gravity is, it's basically how many affiliates have made sales in the past month. So for example, here on this ClickWealth system, you can see here this gravity is 218, meaning 218 people have sold this product. Now, this method I'm going to show you is going to be a brand new method that I have never shown anyone before. And this is going to be really cool because a lot of people aren't doing this. I'm going to basically show you how to give away a free book on a new traffic source that I have never mentioned on this channel. Now I'm going to go down, guys, and there's a product right here, 12-minute affiliate system with $169 per conversion. We can promote any of these products that you believe in and that you want to make money with. Okay, so I'm going to pick this product here. At first, guys, check out the product, see what it offers. Perpetual income 365. I'm just going to take a look at this. How ordinary people are manipulating this secret algorithm to make money every single month. Okay, so it's a high ticket product, as you can tell here. So I'm going to go with this product here. Obviously, do your own research on the products you're promoting. Now, what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to hit promote. Now, it's going to give me a special link. This is called a hop link, and this link is going to be the link that I can go ahead and copy. And when people click on this link right here, basically, if they buy from this link, I make money from this. Okay, very simple. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to add this into a notepad. I'm going to actually come back to this later, but I'm going to copy this right here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go now to a website called IDPLR. Okay, so if you go to Google, guys, and type in IDPLR, we're actually going to find these free books where we can give away. Now, I'm going to show you this brand new method, guys. You don't need any website. You don't need any landing page software. You don't need any tools at all. This is 100% free. Okay, so we're going to go to IDPLR. Now, what this website is, it's a free website where you can download free books, free videos, graphics. It's basically private label rights, meaning you own the rights to these products even though you didn't create them. It's really cool. Okay, so basically once you sign up for a free account here, just go to free products and go to free books here. Okay, now you can see all the free books that they have. Okay, basically every single niche that you can think of, right? You can see business and making money, marketing and promotion, web and development, WordPress software, all kinds of books that you can download absolutely free, and you can use this as your own. Now, obviously, you want to make this congruent to your offer, and in this particular case, we're going to be promoting this right here, Perpetual Income 365. So it's a book on how to make money online, right? How to close high ticket sales, right? And obviously, guys, do your research on the product so you know exactly what type of free book you can download. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here, and I'm actually going to go to business and making money. Okay, so if you see right here under categories, I'm going to go to business and making money, right? Because that's what the product is about. Now, when I go inside of here, it's going to give me all kinds of books that I can download, right? These are absolutely free books that I can use. So you can see here, leadership strategies, high ticket sales secrets videos, high ticket sales secrets, email marketing success, all kinds of books that we can go ahead and download. Okay, now obviously I want to make this congruent to my offer, so I'm going to go with this one right here, high ticket sales secrets. Okay, I'm going to click this book here, and basically it's going to take us to this right here. Okay, now we want to take a look and see what we can do with this book. All right, we want to make sure that we can use it for what we're going to do. Okay, so you can see here, yes, can be used for personal use, can be packaged with other products, so we can use this to sell the other product on ClickBank, can be offered as a bonus, can use it to build a list. So basically we can do almost anything with this product. Okay, there's not much we can't do with it. So basically I'm going to use this book and we're going to use it to sell our ClickBank products. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download it, guys. You can download this absolutely free, and it's going to download to your computer. Now once you have this, all we're going to do is we're going to edit a few things inside of here. So if you go to Google and type in free PDF editor, we can go inside of here and edit this book. Okay, remember this is basically our book and it's private label rights, so we can do whatever we want with this book legally. Okay, so I'm going to go down to free PDF editor. I'm going to find the best one here. Now I just want to find something where I can upload my PDF, basically the free book that we downloaded, and we're going to add our link inside of there. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm going to use this software right here called Seja.com. I've used this before. Great software, free to use. Click on this right here, guys. It's going to take you to the editor here. Okay, let me just click on this here. And it's going to take you to the actual editor. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is upload the book. So I'm going to upload PDF file. And I'm going to upload the book. Okay, then it's going to upload the high ticket secrets inside of this software. Now I'm going to go inside of here, and what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to add a link inside of here so people can go check out our webinar or check out our affiliate link on ClickBank. Okay, so I'm going to go down right here, and as you can see, there's going to be this space right in between here. So I'm going to add my link inside of here. So I'm going to go to text. Right, you can see right here where it says text right here at the top. It doesn't let me show my marker on this website for some reason. But yeah, basically I can go to text right here, and I can add something here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to text and add this right here. Oops, okay, here we go. Click here to see how to make high ticket sales for free. Okay, because it's going to be a free video showing them how to do that. So basically what I can do here is I'm going to bold that, I'm going to italicize it, and what I can do is add a link. Okay, because now what we can do is drive people from this free book to our link, right? So we can go to links here, and we can add a link inside of here. So I'm going to go to links, I'm going to add it right there, and basically what we can do is add the link that we got from ClickBank, right? So this link right here is the one we want to copy, and you can see I already added it in here. Okay, so now that's good to go. Now when people click on this, now it's going to take them to our page. It's going to take them to our actual offer, right? So remember, we copied that from ClickBank. As you can see here at the top, this is my ClickBank ID. So when people click on this, they watch it and they buy, we make money, but we're giving them this free book. Okay, now what I like to do is actually copy this link here and add it throughout this whole section, right? So every time there's a space, maybe like right here, there's all, you want to add this link throughout. Okay, but I'm going to show you this really cool traffic source that I haven't mentioned before. Okay, but once you're done with this, guys, all you got to do is download this book here, save it, download it, and that's all you got to do. Okay, so if I go to the bottom here, I can save this and download it. So apply changes here, and it'll let me download it in just a second. Here we go. So now I can download this book, and now as you can see, here's my link, right? So if I click this link, it's going to take us to the actual offer, right? But it's got my affiliate link in there. Okay, guys, so that's all good to go. Once I download it, now I'm going to show you this really cool way to get traffic, okay, as fast as possible. Now, guys, if you go to Google and type in Amazon Kindle, we're actually going to use this to drive traffic to our book. Now, if I go to Amazon.com and type in something like make money with ClickBank or make money online, affiliate marketing, it's going to come up with all these books here, right? So let me zoom out a little bit. And now some of these books people are charging for, right? So you can see here, make money on ClickBank, $0. This one right here is $10. But what I would do here is I would upload the book and then have it for free so people can download this book absolutely free. So For example, right here, even though this book is $10, let me show you why you're going to get a ton of free traffic. So when people click on this, and you can actually go to this book and view the first page or two. Okay. So for example, if I click on this book, like for example, if I click on this, you can go to look inside, right? If I go to look inside right here, let me just show you where that looks like. People can take a sneak peek of the book before they buy it, right? So if they click on this, it's going to go ahead and show them, right? You can see this person did the exact same thing here. Let me go back. Where is it at? I just had it here. Here we go. So you can see get your free gift right there. Okay. So now when people click on this, then they're basically gonna get their free gift or whatever it is you're trying to give them, right? In this case, we're giving them a free training video with ClickBank. Okay. Now what I would do, guys, is upload your book to Amazon Kindle, and it's going to be up to you if you want to charge for it or give it away for free. My recommendation is that you give it away for free. That way they can go download the book. And obviously once they download the book, they can go ahead and click your link right here, right? So remember, they're going to see this link right here where they can download your free, or they can go ahead and get your free webinar, okay? And that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can make money on ClickBank as a complete beginner without a website, get free traffic, and start making money, guys. So I hope this video was of value, guys. Now, of course, I do teach you how to make money online the right way, how to build an email list, how to build that long-term business. If you want to learn exactly how to do that, guys, I'm going to leave a link down below to my 3-day challenge where I'm going to teach you exactly how to build a long-term sustainable business. Because in this method, guys, we're not building an email list, but this is a great way to get started on ClickBank if you want to start making money online. So I hope this video was of value to you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and see you on the next one. God bless.